Welcome, fellow sapiens, to a journey of self-mastery and success for a person living in the modern world. Today we are diving deep into the 12 masculine traits that women find impossible to resist. These traits are not just about attracting women, but also about becoming a well-rounded individual who commands respect and admiration. So, let's get started. Number 1. Your cooking skills. You might think cooking is solely a woman's domain, but let me tell you, nothing is more attractive than a man who can whip up a decent meal. This exudes an aura of independence and reliability. It's not about becoming a gourmet chef, it's about showing that you can take care of yourself and others. Imagine inviting her over and preparing a simple but delicious dinner. The effort you put in shows thoughtfulness and competence. Plus, cooking together can be a fun and intimate activity that brings you closer. Remember, the way to a woman's heart is through her stomach too. Number 2. Having good manners. Good manners are the backbone of charm. It's surprising how far a simple please and thank you can go. Good manners are a reflection of respect and consideration for others. Opening doors, pulling out chairs, and showing appreciation are small acts that speak volumes. Women are drawn to men who are polite and respectful because it shows maturity and upbringing. Good manners are not just attractive, they are essential in creating a positive impression in any social setting. Number 3. Ability to provide reassurance. Everyone has insecurities, and women are no exception. Being able to reassure her and make her feel good about herself without overdoing it is key. This doesn't mean simping or constantly showering her with compliments. It means being genuinely supportive and attentive to her needs. When she feels secure and valued, your bond strengthens and you become more attractive in her eyes. A confident and reassuring man is a rock in a stormy sea. Remember, confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a turn-off. Number 4. Your sense of humor. Believe it or not, women often choose a funny guy over a conventionally handsome one. Laughter is the best medicine, and a man who can make a woman laugh is a keeper. Humor is a sign of intelligence and creativity. It makes interactions more enjoyable and helps in building a connection. When you make her laugh, you create positive memories and associations. A good sense of humor also shows that you don't take life too seriously and can handle situations with ease. So, don't be afraid to show your funny side. Number 5. Your eyes. Eyes are windows to the soul, and maintaining them well can enhance your attractiveness. Clean, natural eyebrows, not too thick or too thin, paired with well-rested, dark circle-free eyes can make a big difference. This means getting enough sleep and perhaps even using a good eye cream. Your eyes can convey confidence, kindness, and attractiveness. They show that you take care of yourself and pay attention to detail. Number 6. Your hygiene. Hygiene is non-negotiable. This might seem basic, but it's crucial. Good hygiene indicates that you respect yourself and those around you. Clean nails, well-groomed hair, and fresh breath are non-negotiables. Women notice these details, and poor hygiene can be a major turn-off. Taking care of your body and appearance shows that you value yourself, which in turn makes you more attractive to others. Before we go over the other traits that women find impossible to resist, please mind giving this video a like as it boosts its reach, subscribing to this channel, and turning on the notification bell to not miss out on more such informative videos on how to be a better sapien. Anyways, moving on. Number 7. The way you smell. A good fragrance can leave a lasting impression. Choose a scent that suits you and isn't too overpowering. Understanding the difference between EDP, Eau de Perfume, and EDT, Eau de Toilette, can help you make a better choice. EDPs are stronger and last longer, while EDTs are lighter and good for everyday use. Smelling good is an easy yet powerful way to boost your attractiveness. The key here is to not overdo it, or the effect will be reversed. Number 8. Your self-handling skills. No woman wants to play the role of your mom. Neither anyone else has the capability to be like her. Showing that you can handle your daily life tasks independently is incredibly attractive. This includes managing your finances, keeping your living space clean, and taking care of your responsibilities. Being self-sufficient shows that you are reliable and capable, which are highly desirable traits in a partner. It shows you are not emotionally dependent and can take care of yourself. Number 9. Your intelligence. Intelligence is alluring. This doesn't mean being a know-it-all. It's about having a curious mind and being able to hold meaningful conversations. Intelligence is attractive because it shows depth and an ability to think critically. Share your passions and interests and be willing to learn from others. A smart man who is also open-minded and respectful of others' viewpoints is incredibly appealing. Number 10. Having a kind heart. Kindness is contagious. Remember that it is a sign of strength, not weakness. Being genuinely kind to everyone, not just to impress a woman, shows your true character. This doesn't mean being a pushover or saying yes to everything. True kindness comes from a place of inner strength and peace. When you are kind, you create a positive environment around you, and that positivity is irresistible. Remember, you can be truly kind and peace-protecting only when you are truly powerful to do so. Number 11. Your fitness. Being fit is incredibly attractive. This doesn't mean you need to have 6-pack abs or be 6 feet tall. It means taking care of your body and staying healthy. Regular exercise and a balanced diet contribute to your overall well-being and confidence. Women find men who are in shape and take care of their breath attractive because it shows discipline and self-respect. Fitness is not just about appearance, it's about feeling good and being capable. And to be brutally honest, no one wants to date a lazy-ass potato. Number 12. Fixing and repairing basic things. Being handy around the house is a practical skill that can make you more attractive. Whether it's fixing a flat tire or maybe handling minor electric or hardware repairs, showing that you can solve problems and take care of things is impressive. It demonstrates resourcefulness and competence, traits that women find highly appealing. And there you have it, the 12 masculine traits that women find impossible to resist. Remember, these traits are not just about attracting a high-quality partner, but also about becoming the best version of yourself. Work on these skills and you will notice a positive change in all areas of your life. If you found this video enlightening and want to be a better sapien, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content on personal development, philosophy, and the pursuit of a meaningful life, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Be sure to leave any other valuable suggestions you might have in the comments below for your fellow sapiens, and mention which of the above tips did you find the most useful. Also be sure to check out these other videos on our channel that will help you be a better sapien. Until next time, keep striving daily towards being a better sapien.